Everyone in sales will at some point experience a dip. Their performance goes down, they don't get the numbers that they want. It is confusing, it is frustrating. But what most people do is to try to find a solution in the complicated stuff, while in reality the solution lies in the basic stuff. The basics rule every single day, and most people don't even know it. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple model that will help you understand the basics and use them in your favor. And in the end of the video, I'm going to show you how 3 simple post-its can help you remember this fact every single day. So let's keep it very simple. The basics of selling are divided in 3 parts. This is a model that is quite known. You can Google it and understand it in depth. But basically it consists of input, process, output. The input part in sales is whatever you put in to your sales machine. That is how many calls you make every day, how many emails you send, how many meetings you have. All of these are activities that every sales rep should track on a daily basis. Because if you understand how much you put in, you are able to see what comes out in the other end. The input part is about tracking how much you put in. Now the process part is where you optimize. You optimize and improve what you're doing. That's the how part. So you have to look at the process as well and figure out where you adjust. But you do this gradually as you go. Don't try to find some perfect model, because it is in the contact with people that you get the feedback and can start optimizing. And then you have the output. The output is the results. And the results are tied back directly to the input. Don't try to overcomplicate things. If your numbers are going down, maybe your input is going down. And if you want your numbers to go up, maybe your input should go up as well. But you can't really do something about this unless you track and understand how much you put in already. So as I promised, I'm going to show you a very simple way to implement this powerful idea. And I'm going to do it with something as simple as post-its, because we don't want to overcomplicate things. We want to focus on the basics. So what you do is you put 3 post-its in front of you on your desk, and these will serve as a reminder. You put input, process, output. These 3 post-its will remind you that things are connected. Your input directly affects your output. Do this and you will not forget the basics. If you like this video, I want you to click the like button and then subscribe, because I'm going to make a video like this every single week. My name is Red. See you in the next one.